Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, hi. Fancy meeting you here.
Hello there.
Come along with me while I chop apart my Subaru. Whoa. Woo. And just like that, the hole is bigger. Well, as you can see, we cut out a ton more from the car, but I had a certified Subaru LS swap drag race car doctor stop over, and he said that we need to cut out more. So that's what we're gonna do. Whew. All right. Damn. Whew, that's a big cut. Oh, baby. Now that's some serious weight reduction. All right, let's keep going. He didn't really want to fight me. Okay. There we go. Ow. Holy crap. So you might be thinking to yourself, what the hell is this guy doing? And the answer is, I don't know.
He's clueless.
So the big reason why I decided to cut out this kind of major support rail, this major stock support rail here, is two reasons. It was really going to restrict our tire clearance. We were going to have to cut like halfway into it anyway. As you can see, where the tire would eat into that frame rail about halfway. And then the other part that was really restricting us on this side was where the shocks are going to mount and where the 4-link bars are going to be. They're going to be like right here on this bar, on this axle tube. The rail on this side was extremely close to where that was going to be, so I was probably going to have to buy like offset shock brackets, and like the 4-link brackets were going to probably be right up against that frame rail, and it's just like, you can kind of see it's similar on this side, just because I have the axle housing moved over a little bit more. You can see it was kind of it was kind of like this on that side. Like the 4-link brackets are going to be here, which comes up to right here, and then our shocks are going to be up in this area too. So it was a pretty big restriction to work around, and I really wanted to keep those rails for the rigidity, because after I cut this out, I don't know if you can see this on camera. Probably not. Well, maybe you can. Maybe you can. I don't know. But it's definitely a little bit flimsy. So I think before I go to cut this side out, I am probably going to at least get some supports in the back of this thing, like some 2x4s or 4x4s that go to the ground that support the back of this, just to be safe. That's why, at the recommendation of someone that really knows what they're doing, I went with cutting this out, this all out. It's a restriction that we really don't need to work around. And then putting this wheel and tire on this side of the car, you can really see, so I'm not even up at the ride height that I want to be at yet, and we're almost hitting the fender like it's poking out. and then it's hitting the inside of the frame rail and the fender right there. So this is slightly smaller than the wheel and tire setup that we're going to be running, and as you can see, we're just running into all kinds of fitment issues. So that is why we decided to go the route of cutting the living hell out of everything. So I'm gonna get cutting on this side, and I will see you guys in a bit. And there we go, just like that. The other side is cut out. And yeah, wow. It's just looking like more and more of a project the more I cut. Oh, this is so crazy. I mean, I know I'll eventually get it back together, but looking at it right now, it's like, holy moly. Wow. So I think I am probably gonna go ahead and cut out that top fender liner, at least the top, because the top is the only place where it's gonna be even remotely close. Around all the sides and the rear and the front, we've got plenty of clearance. So, but my batteries are dead again, and my body batteries are dead again. So I think that's gonna do it for me today. But I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please drop a like, and if you have any questions or anything like that, drop a comment. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.